squeezing it all out.
Yeah.
Go. There we go.
Yeah.
This one's red.
Yep.
That one was blue. I don't remember what the third one was.
Yeah.
Or black. Yeah, it was a black one, yeah.
Yeah. The upper bowl's black, lower bowl's blue. Kind of helps to make the chairs look different.
Yeah, distinguishable.
Yeah. So like you kind of know where you're at.
I like that feature.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet.
The real question is, when I get off the ski lift, should I tighten my boots beforehand or just go for it? Maybe take a little bit of a tumble.
Yeah, you probably want to. Yeah.
I might tighten. We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was sad to have it because this looks nice.
Yeah.
What's this?
I think it's Spotlight. It's actually a black, believe it or not.
This doesn't look black.
Yeah, it's pretty mellow.
This,
Basically just the entire lift line. Run
maybe
underneath.
it's black at the top. This looked green.
Yeah. I think, yeah,
Maybe
the top.
blue up there. Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, top section.
Oh. Holy.
Wow.
Whoa. The other nice part about the ridge is it has a nice bird population. When I
Yeah.
wake up in the mornings,
Oh, yeah.
bird song.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Pleasant.
Yep.
Oh shit.
What?
He dropped his pen, it's on his board.
What?
He dropped it and it fell on his board and he caught it on his board.
Oh.
Now he has to go grab it somehow without knocking it off. Yeah, this seems more than fine.
Yeah. It's interesting that they got the lights on.
Yeah.
It is a little shadier, but like those lights aren't really doing much.
No, not at all. If anything.
Yeah.
I'm curious how the snow blindness will be once the sun runs out.
Yeah.
We shall see.
I think the goggles probably help with that.
I imagine.
It's basically all the, because goggles have UV filters that filter out all the UV rays, which is basically what causes sun blindness.
Yeah,
So I
and
think-
it darkens the shit out of everything. You can actually see the shadows.
Yeah.
They're kind of aggressive lights.
Yeah.
It's kind of them to point them the other way. I do appreciate that.
Yeah.
You're not staring into them as you get on there.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably also helps you see like the veins in the road and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, most night skiing have it set up with lights face down.
Makes sense. I don't think we've ever done any night skiing before.
It's a lot of fun. Because like since you're kind of far away from the city, you can see the stars sometimes.
Yeah. That song's gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of the day. We should play it on the ride home.
Or which song? The Walker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love how high energy skiing is and how low energy the lifts are.
Yeah. Or just
It's like total chill.
yeah. We chill up here, but then we shred.
We do shred.
Yeah.
The other part that is very appetizing about this for me is that it's clean.
Yeah.
It doesn't look super bumpy or inconsistent.
Yeah. Yeah. Snow cover isn't that bad. I mean, it's thin, but like not horribly so.
Yeah, and if you look down it looks fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
This might be a little steep, but we can just,
Yeah.
chop through the terrible stuff.
Oh yeah.
Coast to the good stuff.
Yeah.
That's funny that Nat has yard sailed twice in
Yeah.
the same section.
I haven't even seen him do it.
No.
Yard sale. He's just like, oh yeah, guys, I yard sailed. Like, oh, that's why it took so long.
You ever go hiking?
Yeah.
Oftenish?
I haven't been able to, I don't go up that much. Only if someone can drive me.
Yeah, I mean, same here. I used to enjoy a lot of trails on Rainier.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever actually done any hiking on Rainier.
Oh my gosh, you gotta do that.
Yeah.
It's a glorious spot called, the location is literally called Paradise.
Yeah, yeah.
It's well protected, tons of wildlife around, like, you know,
Yeah.
mountain goats and
Yeah.
basking marmots and
Yeah,
black bears. And
Yeah, over the summer I want to go up to the snowfield.
Oh yeah.
in
Yeah,
the
no,
year.
I got up early one morning. I was, I don't know, like 10 or something, maybe 11.
Yeah,
And my dad and I just hiked as far as we could.
yeah.
So there was some like practically a bouncer whose job it was to say, "Do you have ice picks and snowshoes?" And you're like, "No." I was like, "Well, turn around." Oh, okay.
You have to have ice picks and snowshoes to hike in the snowfield.
Well, I mean, once you get high up enough on Rainier, it makes sense
Yeah.
that you'd need that because it's a real mountain.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. I imagine you'd probably, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, if the snowfield gets like really icy, then it'd be good to have ice picks and stuff going up the snowfield.
Yeah.
And once you get up to Camp Muir, once you go past that, then it becomes real. That's when it gets like real challenging.
Camp Muir?
Yeah, Camp Muir. That's basically, if you were to summit Mount Rainier, the best option is to start at Paradise, hike up to Camp Muir, which is about 10,000 feet, spend the night. It's like you can set up a tent by it, or you can stay inside the cabins. And then from there, it's only like 4,000 feet up to the summit.
All right. But it's a tough fork.
Oh yeah,
Probably.
yeah, it's a lot of
Not a lot
going
of
over
feet, but a whole lot of
crevasses.
work.
Yeah, crevasses and all that. Yeah.
There he is.
Yes.
Hey.